Hey everybody! I'm here to share the brand new Elle Studio November 2019 kit and add-ons with you. Let's take a look at the kit contents first. The monthly kit is $9.99 for today only. On the 10th, it releases every month. If you want to lock in that introductory rate, then you should check into being a subscriber at the link in my video notes. So first up, we have 2 sheets of die cuts, and this month I've already trimmed my die cuts out of their 4x6 sheets just so that you can have a look at all of the great little die cuts included. There's lots of little arrows this month and tons of labels, which I find extremely usable. Love that little circle that says "Oh Happy Day." There's lots of great colors this month, reds and greens and pinks. There's a definite mix of Christmas and kind of fallish colors. And the awesome news is if you purchase a document December kit, then all of the greens, pinks, and reds will coordinate with your document December kit. So those are the die cuts this month. Let's take a look at the 3x4 tags. There's all the little die cuts together. Aren't they fabulous? Okay, so we have 3 4x6 tags. We have this grid, this blue one, that's my favorite, and this right here tag. All of those 4x6. Now let's take a look at the 3x4s. Like I said, there's a definite mix of Christmas and autumn, so I'm going to kind of separate them so you can see here. I love the leaf. I love give thanks. And the ones that can go in to either side are I'm going to place in the middle. Notes from today, rated on a scale from 1 to 10. I love this highlights card. Love that coffee cup card and the camera. Be sure you pay attention to that camera. You'll see it a little bit later. A really cool stripe there. All the details. The maroon heart card, grateful for. You'll see that later too. A really cool Christmas stripe and a fall stripe. So lots of great 3x4 cards this month. Next up, we have the November labels. Lots of great colors there. And we have the tiny holiday label stickers. You can get blank or the phrases. I love the size of those little stickers. They're pretty fabulous. Now we have 2 different sets of tags on this day in November, and so very grateful for. You will see me use those this month on a gratitude mini album, so be sure to check that out. These are the Christmas die cut labels. Look at all of the die cut labels that you get in this pack. I'm not going to open it for you because there's just a ton, but they come in all different sorts of sizes. This is the 'Tis the Season 6x6 paper stack, and I'm going to open it to show you how awesome these patterns are. You get 2 of each pattern in the stack. So really great for creating layouts, pocket pages, cards, anything. And for the first time, Elle has included solids, which I really love because I'm always looking for a cardstock that matches her colors for the month. So having these solids is going to be really helpful. So another great thing is that if you purchase a document December kit, these coordinate perfectly with your document December kit. So you don't have to worry about finding that perfect shade of red. You have it here in this new 6x6 paper stack. So lots of great patterns and solids in here. Okay, let's check out the embellishments. We have red puffy alphabet stickers just in time for the holidays. And then we have this awesome holiday puffy sticker sheet, which half is Thanksgiving and half is Christmas. So you can document both with the same puffy sticker sheet. These are the wood veneer holiday phrases, and I just love them. They have so many great phrases that don't need to be for just holidays, like seconds please could be for any time, movie plus popcorn night, quality time together, so they're very versatile. This is the November wood veneer that I use every month in my pockets, the awesome ho 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 wood veneer, which I love the font of. And these are the acrylic candy canes. Just take a look at how glorious these are, and they are etched so that they have the little lines in the candy canes. They come in that light mint, the Kelly green, pink, and red, and I just love them. These are the acrylic Christmas trees. Aren't they fabulous? I love how almost clear that mint color is. So the stamps this month are awesome. This is the Say Cheese stamp. There's that camera again. And to go along with the Say Cheese stamp, we have a metal die, which I am so excited about because it cuts out the camera, cuts out the word smile, and then it also includes a banner shape. So you could add anything to that banner. Then we have the awesome Let's Eat stamp. How great is that for the holidays? Be sure to check out all of the brand new Elle Studio November 2019 kit and add-ons while supplies last. And again, if you're watching today on November 10th, you can get your kit for $9.99 today only. Or learn about how to become a subscriber by clicking the link in my video notes so that you can lock in that price, get special deals for subscribers, and bundle your shipping. Thanks so much for watching and happy creating with your Elle Studio November 2019 products.